Hi everybody, it's Reagan Danforth House coming to you on my birthday. I turned 41 today and I thought this is a great opportunity to share with you one of my favorite extra pampering spa treatments. And what I have found is that over the years, just by using my daily skincare regimen, using our Mary Kay microdermabrasion and facial peel and our Bio-Cellulose hydrating mask, as well as our tone correcting serum, things like that, I don't need to go and get the really expensive treatments because I'm able to, in the comfort of my home, give myself spa days like today, and also just on the run. I mean, I don't have a whole lot of time. In fact, today I am doing this while my little monkeys are at vacation Bible school, so it's just a great opportunity for me to pamper myself on my birthday without spending a whole lot of money and just really relaxing and enjoying myself. I have one of my very favorite mugs, my Fearless Mom mug. Shout out to Lake Hills Church. I love this mug. And my tea. And so yeah, just a random week morning. You can do this anytime. So let me tell you about this Bio-Cellulose mask. It is fantastic. You actually get 4 in a box. So whenever you purchase it, you actually do get 4 treatments. So the idea is that you can either do this a couple times a week on a regular basis. If you are somebody who wants to take really great care of your skin, especially if you're seeing more advanced signs of aging, or if you have really dry skin and you just feel like, gosh, I can't seem to get rid of that dull, dry appearance of my skin by combining the exfoliation products with the super hydration and moisturizing products, you're going to get great results. Now, you may be somebody who is thinking, I am not gonna have time to sit for 20 to 30 minutes and put this mask on and leave it on all the time, or that's not in my skincare budget, or whatever the case may be. This is actually designed to be something that is great for if you just need a pick-me-up. Maybe you have a special event coming up. Maybe it's your wedding or somebody else's wedding or a special dinner or New Year's Eve, whatever the case may be, that you are just really, maybe it's I don't know, high school reunion, something like that. This is perfect for that because you can do this 2 to 4 times. Ideally, it would be 2 times a week for the 2 weeks before your special event. So that would be 4 total uses. And you will see real benefit. So you literally just peel it open and y'all get ready to be entertained. All right, so this is so funny. And I should have brought a plate or something, but that's okay because all this really is coconut water, you guys. This is coconut water that's enhanced with other all natural ingredients, natural fibers from the coconut, and some other botanical ingredients. And so you just take this out. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so funny. You're gonna laugh, but I love this. It feels so good. It feels cold. Like, it feels like it's been in the refrigerator, but it hasn't. That's how cool and soothing and nourishing this is. Okay, so you unpeel it and look, you got your little mask here. Now, both sides of the mask actually have this little sheet. So you peel off one side of this, and y'all, hold on to that because you can just put that here anywhere. You want to soak this stuff up. You don't want to waste any of this. All right, and then you get the little eye holes here. All right, so, I forgot to put my headband on. I grabbed a headband. Look, our cute little Mary Kay headband, and I completely forgot to put it on. So, that's all right. Just gonna do this. All right, you guys. This is a little bit of a longer video, but it's just for sheer entertainment value of watching me do this. All right, so you put this on like this. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Okay. Y'all are not gonna believe how good this feels when you try it. Okay. You could even get a box and share it with a girlfriend, and y'all do it together twice this week. All right, and then what you do, okay, so this is like see all that extra? So you can just put that everywhere, baby. Telling you what, I'm gonna be bathing in this after I turn this video off. Okay, so then you've got the little eye flaps. So when you take this off, you can actually put those eye flaps over your eyes and close your eyes for that hydration, okay? So you just put that on, and after it's had a chance to kind of sit, look, oh, you guys, I'm telling you, oh, feels so good. Anywhere that you feel dry. So if you're like me and you love to be out in the sunshine and you're chasing after kids and hanging out at the swimming pool and being in chlorine and all that, oh my gosh, you guys, like just bathe in this stuff. It feels so amazing. All right, how do I look? I know, right? I mean, who can look this good? I'm gonna start singing Phantom of the Opera, okay? So here's this, you got the little nose flap, and then you've got these little eye flaps. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to relax. And there's extra in here. So again, there's all this moisture in here. Put that on your tummy, your legs, your feet, especially this décolleté area, décolletage, for that extra hydration. Oh my gosh. And now I'm gonna relax and enjoy my little bit of morning time in a quiet, empty house. You too can be so pampered.